Tom Ellsworth, the Biz Doc, diving into Second Amendment. Second Amendment laws are being tested in many, many states, and more recently in Maryland and Rhode Island, things happen. But you saw a bunch of headlines like Supreme Court upholds Rhode Island and Maryland bans. The truth is, and you can find the story at vtnews.ai, come see who's spinning the story and whether the headline matches what's in the story itself. In this case, the Supreme Court didn't uphold any bans. They declined to hear it, as only 3 conservative justices said that it had enough merit to come to the Supreme Court for them to issue an opinion and vote out of 9 justices one way or the other. In this case, they say, we're not even going to hear this. So they didn't uphold it. They said there's not enough there, so they're leaving it as is. But they're not really leaving it. It never makes it to the Supreme Court. So the appropriate headline is, bans in Rhode Island and Maryland for certain types of rifles and how many rounds a magazine can carry won't make it to the Supreme Court and will stay as Maryland and Rhode Island courts have them in place today. That's the truth. And you need to look below that. There are well-intended people that after the Sandy Hook shooting were very concerned about guns that had magazines that would hold more than 10 bullets at a time and certain AR-type rifles or rifles that look like AR military, regardless of whether they could or couldn't shoot automatic or had high-capacity magazines. All of these things can be under consideration in local courts, but they need to be met with Second Amendment proponents and people that are saying this is what is good for the people. In any case, the Supreme Court had nothing to do with this one because they didn't think it was worthy of them even reviewing. So watch those headlines. There's spin going either way. VT News has both sides so you can make your decision and find out who is spinning the news and who is making the clever headline.